Everyone knows Google's Nano Banana. It changed the game when it came to character and object consistency and multi-image scene generation, making it perfect for composite storytelling and brand visuals. But did you know that you can make Nano Banana videos? By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to go from prompt to image to video, and then you'll have your first AI video ready to publish. Step 1, create your image with Nano Banana. Firstly, we're going to head over to Nano Banana. Now, Nano Banana is Google's newest image model, and it lets you transform or edit parts of an image while keeping everything else perfectly intact. So, for example, I could make myself wear a banana suit, and I could keep my face and the background exactly the same. Nano Banana, it works incredibly fast, so you'll usually get your image back in around 10 to 15 seconds. And if you want to be in the image, all you have to do is upload a photo of yourself in the aspect ratio that you want your video to be in. So, for example, if I wanted my end video to be posted on TikTok, I would upload this photo of me. And if I wanted my video to be perfect for YouTube, I would upload this photo of me. Now, for your prompt, just type in what it is that you want to see in detail, and then once you're happy with the result, go ahead and click download. Step 2, turning your image into a video. So now it is time to animate your image. And for this, we're going to hop over to VEO 3.1 inside VEED. And don't worry, I will pop a link to this page down in the description of this video. So here we can upload our Nano Banana image by selecting Upload Image. Now you can choose your aspect ratio to match that image. And in the prompt box, we want to type in what it is we want to see from our animated video. So do you want your character to speak or sing or dance or even cheer? Whatever it is that you want to get out of your video, now it is your chance to put it in the prompt. And then once you're done typing, you can go ahead and hit that sparkle icon. So VEO 3.1, it's going to automatically turn our image into a dynamic talking video complete with smooth motion and lifelike camera angles. And that's all from a single still image. So let's watch it back. Step 3, polishing your video in VEED. Okay, so once your clip is generated, click Edit in VEED, and here you can trim your video, you can add music, subtitles and sound effects, everything that you would expect from a professional video editor. VEED makes it so easy to polish your AI generated content so that it feels natural and it feels cinematic. And that's it. That is how you create stunning, realistic videos using Nano Banana and VEO 3.1 within VEED. To learn even more AI video hacks like making your images talk with your own voice, you can watch this video right here.